What the hell is character consistency? Come on, guys. This is 2026 and people are still finding it difficult to maintain the characters of their of to maintain the consistency of the characters across every scenes, every actions. But no, this is why most agencies fail. This is why most content creators fail because when there's a drift in the character, people lose trust. But today, I'm gonna show you how to keep your character consistent across every scene, every action. Welcome to the Bold AI. No fancy gear, no gimmick, no elaborate setup, straight to the point. Today, we're going to teach you how to keep your character consistent using one of my favorite tools. This tool has everything you could need, and for bonus, we will try two different models to see which one keeps your character consistent. I'm going to show you a live project I'm currently working on for a client, and we'll see how I achieve consistency for my clients. Let's dive right into it. So, today we're looking at Hydra. Hydra is one of the best AI platform where you get all the various models you need in one place, one subscription to rule them all. No need for me to subscribe to Gemini, to Google Flow, to Higgsfield. No need call it. You have all these models in one platform. This is why I love Hydra. Let's get right to it and show you how I work my clients' projects, how I keep the character consistent. Currently, right now, I have my clients. Okay, this is the homepage for Hydra. I'm gonna leave the link to the description down where you could get started with Hydra and see that just get one or two tests. Just try and subscribe to the basic subscription model, and you would see and compare that this is no gimmick. It is actually one of the best AI provider in the world right now, if I'm not mistaken. But no long talk. Let's get right into it. Okay. Yeah. So I want to create an image. The homepage. Create an image. Like I said earlier on, I will be using this is a project I did with BMW. I'm currently working on a project. I'm going to show you how I keep my character consistent using a singular prompt. And this prompt I'll also leave down in the description below. Okay, let's get right into it. So right here I see the various models we have at the moment. I know Banana 2, the Pro, Gemini, GP. That's a Seed Dream. We have here Seed Dream 4.0, 4.5, 5.0. This is text to image. This is image to image, but currently I have the base image of the project, so I'm going to be using the 4.5. Now let's add image here with an upload. That's This is actually a real life project I'm currently working on for the well-being app. So I have my image right here. Now, the first thing you need to start with is what the hell they call character sheet. It's just a fancy word the movie industry use to keep their images consistent when they do animation movies. Yes, okay, you know what? Let's give an example of what it looks like. Okay? Let's go to my Google and say, okay, what's character sheets? What is character sheets? Definitely, like I said earlier on, I will get some spelling errors, but don't worry. Okay, let's see an example of what it looks like. You can see right here, line up. Okay, we can see right here in model sheets. This is the image, and these are references to the image shot from every angle. By this, the images remain consistent when it's being imputed in the system. Back to our project, we have here my character. What we need to first do is to create what we call a reference sheet. And I'm going to use a singular prompt to do this. Now, Hydra, I said earlier on, is the best AI platform at the moment. I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to prove to you that basically it's the best. I'm going to get my prompt here for my reference sheet. Okay. And put it right here. And let's see what image it comes up with. I need to stretch this resolution 69, yeah. Okay. And you can see it's going to cost just five credits compared to what when you use other platforms you will not get it for five. Okay, welcome back once again. Yes, so now remember I have my base image here, just the image of the lady with a backpack. Now this is what we call a character reference sheet, shot from the side by side, each angle, left, right, front, back, side, and straight view, full body length. Now with this we're able to get the character looking the same across every scene. But I'm gonna show you again why I say Hydra is the best when it comes to generating reference sheets for your movies, for your animations, for your content creation. Now, look at this. Take note of this. Now, I'm going to use an option where it enhances the prompt. Let's see what it does when the prompt is enhanced, and compare it with what we have at the moment. Will there be a difference? Okay. Now, I enhance my prompt at the moment. That's enhancing. I can see prompt enhance right here. Now I'm still going to shoot that up. I'll get back to you once it's done. Okay. Welcome back once again. Now let's take a look at this. Hmm. Is there a difference? I see a difference here. This captured not just side by side, but it captured it also when the image tends to, tilt its face. Now, take a look at these three pictures below. And take a look at this. There's some slight difference there, as you can see. As you can see, there's some slight differences here. But the best part of this is that we have superb character shades to keep our images consistent. Now with this, we can generate any image, keeping her or him feature consistent. Okay, let's create another image and see. Okay, let's create an image and see. Create an image. Let's delete this prompt here. Let's use our seed dream for this. Now, with Hydra, we'll be adding these references here. This, so one is enough, but and that's it, guys. You can see the character is consistent. The character is consistent. The everything is consistent. This is the best way to keep your character consistent across different scenes. Now remember, the first step is upload the image, then you add reference sheets so it's able to capture every angle of a character. Right, left, front view, full shot, mid shot. And it's even, if you could see, even in the reference sheets, there are no poses there, but in generating, it was able to capture and create and make sure that the character remain consistent. Now, there's a lot to this which we cannot delve right into, and how to, you know, animate the characters across various scenes and create a superb movie or content around it. But do like, share, and subscribe for more. But for now, this is the Board AI. See you next time.